Welcome to East Tennessee Pinball. Today I've got this little Chief. I got another video going through the whole thing, but gonna do a little short one here, just repairing this cabinet. It's splayed apart here. So I've got some glue, some white and just regular wood glue. I'm gonna jam as much glue as I can in there. And I got my Persuader 3000. It's only mouths with little BBs in it. Try to get this thing beat back in there. It does have a little groove, so it may take a little persuading to get that back. Once I get it in there, I'm gonna put a ratchet strap around the whole thing and tighten it down and leave it that way for, at least a day. And so I'm gonna get after it here. Okay, I got my ratchet strap just kind of turned around there. So I am going to see what I can do. Oh, I can't hardly see. I got my allergies up there killing me here. And I'm not too worried about getting a little glue in those screws. Before this thing sets up, I'll probably go ahead and drive a couple of bolts in just to make sure I can get them in. And I can always get them out. I think I got that in there pretty good. It's dripping all over the floor. I do have a rag down. Oh, nice. Well, I think that's actually in there, so I just need to cinch it tight. Ah, glue all over the strap. Let me get another rag. Oh, shoot. I should say glue all over the strap, not over the rag. Make a mess here. That's pretty good. I'm gonna get a couple more straps, one below and one above there. It's pretty tight, but this is still out a little bit. I'm gonna get a couple more and really get it in there tight. All right, I got my next one almost ready to go here. Yeah, I squeezed some more glue out, which is a good sign. I'll throw this last one on. Okay. Got a little bit more glue squeezed out. That's a good sign. Looking in there, those are all clean. There's no glue in there, so I'm not even gonna. We're gonna screw in. So I'll let that set for at least a day. And that'll be as good as factory, you know. That's all they did was glue it. Actually, they had a couple nails in there, but they weren't. I think that's just when they put the nails in there, just hold the glue. They're not very strong. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you liked the video, click like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Cheers.